Hi everyone, my name is Kashaw. I'm studying at advanced level at Paragon Academy Badin. So today's the topic of my presentation is 6 rules to success. So many people are unaware from the rules of the success and they find the way to find the method to become a successful person in their life. So these type of rules are announced by Sir Arnold Schwarzenegger, and this is a very big motivational speaker as well as philosopher, and they tell us the 6 rules to become a successful person in the world. So start from first. The first is that trust on yourself or believe on yourself. It's a very important point. When you not believe on yourself, then you're not sincere with yourself. When yourself is play a very great role in your success journey. So believe on yourself, trust on yourself. Okay. So and second is that break some rules. Break some rules is a very important point. When you not break some rules, when you not break illegal rules, when you not break an unpurposeful rule in your life, then you never become a successful person. Because these type of rules produce, make, create by those people. They are uneducated, they are illegal person, they have no mean to create this purpose, and after the time they will break them and you make someone. So break this type of rule. And the third is that do not affair on the failure. Failure is the key to success. The most of the successful person are said that try, attempt, failure, these three are key to success. When you do that in your life, then you become a successful person, then you find the key of success. Okay. So 4 is that ignore the naysayer person. When you ignore the naysayer person, literally, then halfly you become a successful person in your journey of your success. Because they are the demotivated person, disappointed person, discouraged person. So they are the people who should be away from these people. So we should be ignore the naysayer person and their thing and their thoughts and their talk. Okay. And the 5 is that with the help. Inside the with the help, there are 4 factors included in the help. The persistence, consistency, commitment, and perseverance. These are the 4 factors. They are included in your journey of your success. When you apply this work in your work, then you become a successful person. When you do any work, then you apply this 4 factors: consistency, perseverance, persistence, commitment. So these are the 4 factors very important with your doing of your work. Okay. And the 6 is that, which is the last, something give to your back. In your society, so many people are, they say us, when you become a successful person, then you do for me, then you do for me, then you do for them. So like that, when you become a successful person, give something back to your society, give something back to your parents, give something back to your family, relatives. These are a person that make you. These are a person that make a successful person in your life. So when you become a successful person, not be rude, not be proudful. Just give something back to the society, to the parent, to this family member. Okay. It's my suggestion to all the people. When you become a successful person, then give something back to society. Okay. So listen me for me and apply this rule, and one day you become a successful person. Thanks for my listening.